Welcome to Business Sensor ERP. In this tutorial, we'll walk you through how to create and manage accounts using the Account Setup feature. Once the software is loaded, navigate to the List module on the top panel and click on the Account Setup tab. This brings up the account listing interface, where all existing account types, including default accounts, are displayed. To create a new account, simply click the Add New button on the ribbon above. This opens the Account Setup interface. The first field here is Account Type. Click the drop-down to select the appropriate type. For this tutorial, we'll create an income account. Next is Account Name. Let's name our account Reservation Sales. Under Parent Account, you can specify a parent account if this account is a subset. For example, we could select Sales Account as the parent, but we'll leave it empty for now since we want it to be a standalone account. Account Code is where you can assign a unique identifier. If left blank, the system will auto-generate one. The Active checkbox is ticked by default. Uncheck it only if the account should be inactive or dormant. Finally, there's a description field. Use it to input any relevant notes or details about the account you're creating. Once you've reviewed your entries, click Save. Then close the form and hit refresh on the account listing to see your newly created Reservation Sales account. To make changes to an existing account, select it from the list and click the Edit icon. The setup interface will appear with the existing information. Make your changes, then click Save. To delete an account, select it from the list and click the red X button. But note, only accounts that aren't tied to transactions can be deleted, and this action is not reversible. Let's now demonstrate the responsiveness of our accounting module. We'll quickly create a new income account and name it Beverage and Food. After saving and refreshing, the account instantly appears on the list. Next, we go to the Account Report module and open the General Ledger. Scrolling to the Income section, you'll see our newly created Beverage and Food account already reflected, showing just how seamless and instant the process is. Thanks for watching. For more tutorials or to explore our full hotel ERP suite, visit www.businesssensor.com.